In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Adobe Reader as default program. So to do this, you actually can't do it inside Adobe Reader itself. What you want to do is go down here to the settings of your computer. So go to search box and type in default apps like this, and then you want to click on default apps. In here, you'll see there's like a bunch of things. Up top, it says enter a file type or link type. Type in .pdf. And then you want to click on .pdf, and then over here you can see Adobe Acrobat or the Reader selected. So click on it, and then here you can just select the other app you want to use. So for example, let's say I do not want to use Adobe Reader as default, I want to use Google Chrome. I can just click on Google Chrome and then set default, and just like this, I've removed Adobe Reader as the default program for opening PDFs, and they're now going to be opening as a Google Chrome PDF document. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.